Hello students, this is Sumit and I'm back with another video on the chapter whole numbers from ML Aggarwal Mastering Mathematics Class 6. Before we start with this exercise, I would like to tell you a few things about what are whole numbers and what are the different kinds of numbers possible. So, what are natural numbers? The first question. So, natural numbers are numbers that are generally known as counting numbers that we can count from our fingers. So it starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it goes on. And whole numbers are all natural numbers but 0 included in it. So whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. No fractions are included in whole numbers. Whole numbers means there is no fractional part. So, not much to say about this. So, let us quickly go into the exercise. We will learn more things while we discuss the questions. So, this is exercise 2.1 of the chapter whole numbers. So, question number 1 is write the smallest whole number. So, as I just told you, the whole number starts with 0, right? 0 is the smallest whole number. And can you write the largest whole number? That is never ending. These whole numbers are never ending, so we cannot predict the largest whole number. We can sometimes refer it to as infinity. So, can you predict? The answer is no. The next question is write the successor of each of the following numbers. So, what are successors? Successors are the numbers that comes just after the given number. And how do we find successors? We find successors by just adding 1 to it. Suppose if we are having difficulty, we can just simply add 1 to get the answer. So the first question is 3999. The successor of this number would be 4000. If there is a difficulty, we can simply add 1 to get the answer. Similarly, the next question is 3,78,915. So it becomes 3,78,916, just the next number. Now this is 50 lakh 1,299. So this is 50 lakh 1,300, just after 299. The next question is the predecessor. Predecessor is the number just before it. Just like successor is the number after, predecessor is the number just before it. So if I subtract 1, I get the number just before it. So 500 minus 1, or the number just before 500, 499. The number just before 38,794 would be 38,793. Then the next question is 5 crore 47 lakh 89,011. So just the number before 11 is 10. So I can just simply write this as 5 crore 47 lakh 89,010. That is the predecessor. Okay. Question number 4 is write the whole number whose successor is given. So I have to write a number whose this is the successor. So in fact I have to find the predecessor. So 50,794. This is the number 50,794 is the number whose successor is 50,795. Then the next question is 7,20,300. So the numbers whose successor is this will be given as the predecessor of this number. So that is 7,20,299. Then the next question is 83 lakh. So the predecessor for 83 lakh would be 82 lakh 99,999. If there is a difficulty in understanding, we can do this. To find predecessor, we subtract from 1. We subtract 1 from it. Then write the whole number whose predecessor is given. So if this is the predecessor, the number whose predecessor is this would actually be the number just after this. That means we have to find the successor. So 5,347, the successor would be 5,348. Then 72,399. So 72,400. Then we have 30 lakh 12,999. So if there's a difficulty, you can simply add 1 to make it simple. So that's 30 lakh 13,000. I hope I'm able to make you understand. If there's a difficulty, we can add just 1 to get the answer if you're finding the successor. The next question is write the next three consecutive whole numbers of the following. So consecutive whole numbers, consecutive means just after the other, one after the other. So 79, the next consecutive whole numbers would be 80, 81, 82. Then 598, so 599, 600, 601. Then this is 35,699, 669. So 35,670, 35,671, 35,672. This is the next three whole numbers. Then write the three consecutive whole numbers occurring just before. So I have to write the number before. So the number before 32,000, this is how much? This is 3,20,001. So the number just before this is 3,20,000. Now we know just before 20,000 we have 19,999. So I can simply write 3,19,999, and the number just before this will be 3,19,998. Then the next question is how many whole numbers are there in between 38 and 68? Now this is a little tricky question. Between, when I am finding numbers between, how many between 38 and 68? So actually the number starts from 39 and it keeps on going 40 and it keeps on going up to 67 is the last number because 38 and 68 are not included. So to find how many, we can do simply subtraction of 38 and 68 and we get the answer as 30. But this is not the final answer because when we do this subtraction, 68 is included to make there are 30 numbers but 68 is included. So the answer would be there are 29 whole numbers because 68 need not to be included. Then the next question is how many whole numbers are there between 99 and 300? So 300 minus 99 is 201. So how many whole numbers are there between 399? There are 200 whole numbers because when I say 201 by doing subtraction I am including 300 in it. So excluding 300 there would be 200 whole numbers. Okay. The next question is number 9. Write all whole numbers between 100 and 200 which do not change if the digits are reversed. Now this is, so let's see, the number just after 100 is 101, and if I interchange the digits, like the hundreds place goes into ones place and the ones place goes into the hundreds place, and the tens digit remains as it is because it is a 3-digit number. This is also called swapping. So the reverse number is same as the original number. So what I can do, I can keep writing the same numbers but just changing the middle digit because that doesn't change when the digits are reversed. So the next answer would be 101, 121, 131, 141, 151, 161, 171, 181 and 191 because between 200, so less than 200. Question 10. How many two-digit whole numbers are there between 5 and 92? So see 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and it keeps on going up to 91, 92. Now between 5 and 92 but they are asking for only two-digit numbers. So my answer should be from 10 to 91. So 91 minus 10, the answer is 81 whole numbers are there. But am I including 10 and 91 both? The answer is yes. But in the subtraction answer, only 91 is included, not 10, as I told you in the previous case. When the numbers are in between, we subtract the two numbers and also remove the last number. Here also between 10 and 91, if I am calculating, I will subtract 81 I get, and I removed one number, that is 91, to get 80. But here both 10 and 91 are included, so there are 82 whole numbers from 10 to 91. From 10 to 91 is also two-digit whole numbers between 5 and 92, right? Whole numbers. The next question, number 11, is how many three-digit whole numbers are there between 72 and 407. So if I keep on, it keeps on going 99, then 100, 101, and it keeps on going into 406, 407. So the range which I am asking for, or the question is asking, is from 100 to 406. So if I do the subtraction, 406 minus 100, the answer is 306. But I have to also include 100 because it is also three digit number. So there are 300 and there are 307 whole numbers according to a requirement. So that's a very small exercise, and I hope you understood the solution for these questions. If you have any doubts, you can give a comment in and ask me the doubts. You can also give me your feedback so that I can help you in a better way. Please like and subscribe, and also share this video to all those who need any kind of explanation from this chapter. So thank you for today. I'll be back with another video soon. Thank you.